Day 31, morning of. Beautiful out here. We got everything off in night mode. Not yet. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Whew. We hit the coffee machine. Already did it. And I am gonna go hit check the engines. Checked on Hope and Dreamer. They're doing great. Same temperature as usual. And the big thing, they're going to get new oil today. They're going to feel good about getting their new oil today. That's what we're going to do this first thing this morning. I got the door open. You guys can hear in the background. I got the engine room door open. I'm going to pull some cold air, as cold air as I can get through there to help cool that engine room down a little bit so we can go in there and work. So this morning I kind of show you guys where we're at, and this software that we're using is Time Zero. And these are currents that we're looking at in here. And so what we're doing is we're trying to get a free ride from this current right here. So you can see it's flipping around here. We're trying to get right here into that current and then get that free ride over to, not free ride, but get an extra half a knot on the way over to the Cayman Islands. And then we jump into this little section right here, and then we have to, then we shoot straight across to Panama. And it keeps us off this Nicaraguan coast right here. So that's what we're trying to avoid right here, this whole coast right here. So as soon as I got the engine room open, I'm cooling off the engines, cooling off Hope and Dreamer, and I'm gonna go change oil. Chad, you slept like a baby last night?
Yes, sir.
Nice. I'm going to shut down one of the engines here in about 10 minutes, let it cool down for about 5 minutes as we get ready to change the oil in it. I want to go down and see if it's getting any cooler in the engine room. Brother, it's time, Lee. I want to shut down an engine. So first thing I'm going to do is take the synchronizers off. I'm going to pull this back.
Oh shit, I'm a single screw captain. Sorry.
And which one do we want to do first?
Is that how your video?
The single screw captain. Shut it down and then let this engine cool down for a few minutes. Check the oil in it. That's it, she's shut down. So it's official, we're running on one engine. Let that cool down for a couple minutes and then we'll head in there and let's change that oil. Okay. This will be our first oil change at sea. Go ahead and engage your port engine. Yeah, turn the ignition on.
Just open it up.
Yep. Let it come alive. Okay, now we'll put it in gear.
That's what I'll do.
I'm taking up to RPM. All right, let's back the starboard down. Oh. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, you're in neutral, and you can kill that engine. You've got to leave your ignition on. Leave it on.
Oh, okay. There's, okay, that's the kill. Roger that, sorry.
Okay, let's go change our oil in our
Learn something new.
Starboard engine. Let's go give Hope some new oil. Dreamer got her oil. She's running wrong at 1100 RPMs. Now it's time to get Hope done. Now we're gonna take some showers, big guy. Talking, it wasn't that bad, it wasn't that hard under these conditions to change these oil, and these are right at about 60 hours, and this is just the first oil change on Dreamer. Whew.
Breeze bomb.
Yeah, Dreamer and Hope, it wasn't that bad at all. An hour and a half, we got both engine oils changed. That was a good, we'll go down and check them in about an hour. Whew, but everything looks really, really good. All the traveling at sea with dolphins, never, ever, ever one time I've ever gotten home. That's a big pod too. I'm sure it just goes down. That one goes into the bilge or into the sump pump. So I'm sure that one goes into a sump pump too. Chief's cooking. Chief, what are we having tonight?
It's a surprise.
Anyway, it's about 5:30 in the evening. Pretty nice day out here on the water, actually. Grand Cayman Islands. How far are we right now? About 100. About 30, about 60 miles from the Cayman Islands right now. And if I was looking in direction, it'd be right over there. I don't think we're going to get close enough to see them.
Potatoes are salt. Yeah, this is salt.
The sun's setting on day 31 here. Seas have picked up a little bit, not too bad, but we're having also a little bit of trouble with our stabilizers. We've lost our GPS signal, and it kind of took us out of GPS mode. So that was kind of a weird little situation. I'm able to put it in a manual mode, but it's not staying in manual mode. So I have to monitor that through the night. Beautiful day today. Got that oil change done. That's good. Alright guys, we're going to end at day 31 here, and we're just passing the Cayman Islands. They're on our port side. Seas have picked up a little bit. It should be like this pretty much all the way into Panama now. These Caribbean confused seas are pretty much standard. Boats handling them really, really well. You can see up and down in the horizon there. Anyway, make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Wow, just beautiful, man, out here. The moon's out. Absolutely gorgeous.